Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today, we're gonna report about our choosing business, which is sole proprietorship. I'm Bernie Calostario.
I am Nina Gisistokya.
The business organization we choose is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is owned by one person. It is the simplest and the most common form of business organization. It is not separate from the owner. The example of this is a sari-sari store. A sari-sari store is a small neighborhood convenience found within our barangays. It offers a variety of goods such as snacks, beverages, and basic home necessities. The term sari-sari is Tagalog for variety or everything. A sari-sari store is essentially a one-stop shop for everyday items. There are characteristics of this. First is community-centric. Sari-sari stores are focal points in the community, providing not just goods but also a place for locals to gather and socialize. Like dili lang sila mo-provide sa goods kay makig-socialize po sila sa mapalit like kanang pwede sila magtambay-tambay or Second is small scale. They are usually family owned and operated, with the store area integrated into the owner's home. The small scale is kanang nagtag-iya sa usa ka pamilya din sila pagkapadagan silang store. Then ang store nila is kanang naglocate sa inaharapang part sa balay. Third is variety of goods. Despite the small space, these stores pack in a wide range of products, from food items to household essentials. Ang variety of goods bisag gamay ra ang space daghan ang products ang gibaligya, like snacks, beverage, and household essentials.
The advantages of sari-sari store are the following. First, complete control. The owner has full control over all decision and operation. Ang owner is kanang kanang sila ang nag-decision jud sa overall nga kanang operation sa sari-sari store nila. Second, direct benefit. Profits from the business go directly to the owner's personal income. Ang benefit ay ang profit sa business is kanang sa owner jud mo diretso. Third, community connection. Owners have a strong understanding of their customers' preference and needs, allowing for a personalized shopping experience. The disadvantage of sari-sari store are the following. First, limited selection and higher price. Due to their size, sari-sari store cannot offer the wide selection or the lower prices of larger supermarkets. Tungod sa ilahang kanang size, kanang ang sari-sari store kay dili kanang maka-offer og kanang daghang selection or kanang mababa ilahang prices like sa supermarkets. Second, informal record keeping. Many operate on informal system, which can lead to challenges in inventory and financial management. Third, limited capital. It might be harder to raise funds as you can only invest your own money or the money you can manage to borrow.
Example of sari-sari store is in every barangay, you'll likely find sari-sari stores, each with its own character. One example is sari-sari store run by Aling Leonor, which is located in Cascajo, Lao. It's known for its friendly service to the customers.